So if you're like me and just got the Platinum card, the over $3,500 in credits and benefits shown on the Platinum card's webpage can be a bit difficult to navigate and figure out. In an effort to consolidate all of that information into one video, actually 2 videos, and to have an excuse to figure out all of the benefits and credits and how to use them myself, we're going to figure out each credit and benefit one by one and how to use them. And obviously, there will be timestamps. Starting off with the $400 Resy credit, because that's the one that is listed first within my American Express app. The Resy credit is probably the easiest credit to set up. Resy is owned actually by American Express, so other than activating the credit within your app, there's really nothing else you really need to do. There's a tracker for the credit within your American Express app where it says get up to $100 back quarterly for eligible Resy purchases with your Platinum card. Enrollment is required. And then a progress bar that ranges from $0 earned to $100 to go. All you have to do after enrollment, which is simple to do, just click on the enroll button, is to take your significant other to a Resy restaurant and use the Platinum card when you get the check. If you don't know how to find a Resy restaurant, click on the tracker itself and an Explore Resy button will appear. You'll leave the app and go to Resy.com where you can search through the over 10,000 restaurants that partner with Resy. Resy is a reservation service, but you don't necessarily have to have a Resy reservation to activate the credit. I've actually surprised myself with purchases I've made in the past where I'd be alerted that to a Resy credit going into my statement for restaurants I didn't even realize were a part of the Resy group. The key to using this credit fully is to remember to use it once per quarter within the calendar year, as it is split up into 4 $100 quarterly credits. Next on my tracker is the $600 hotel credit. Same situation here on the tracker. I have text stating get up to $300 back semi-annually on select prepaid bookings through American Express Travel using the Platinum card, and then a progress bar that ranges from $0 earned to $300 to go. Click on the tracker icon, which creates a blue book now button, which takes you to the Find Hotels and Resorts collection and the hotel collection. Once inside, to find a search bar on your phone, you have to scroll down a couple of swipes and then you can search for your hotel and the days you want to book. The process here to get the $300 credit is to book a stay through this portal that totals to more than $300 so that you can fully get this credit, and then obviously use your Platinum card when purchasing. Now obviously with a title like the Fine Hotels and Resorts collection, most of the properties within the over 1,800 properties within the list are going to be expensive, but a quick Google search can help you navigate the best bang for your buck location. Plus, when booking through this collection, you get guaranteed room upgrades upon arrival if available, daily breakfast for 2, at least $100 in credits for eligible charges, and guaranteed early check-in and late checkout. If you're not preparing to shell out thousands of dollars already for, let's say, a planned vacation around the world somewhere, some people do use this credit to find essentially what is the best resort or hotel within their state and turn it into a staycation. For instance, this property within the DMV where I'm located, Keswick Hall, which offers complimentary minibar, complimentary valet parking, and a $100 property credit. I've also heard that because you book through the Fine Hotels and Resorts, the staff tend to treat you nicer and you get a lot of complimentary stuff. I've heard good things about this credit. I haven't personally used it myself, but I'm super excited to test it out with my new Platinum card. Up next on my tracker is the $300 Lululemon credit. This one is a little similar to the Resy credit mentioned earlier on how easy the credit is to use. It has text that says get up to $75 back each quarter for eligible purchases at Lululemon in the United States when you pay with your Platinum card. Enrollment is required. Enrollment is simple, just a click of a button, and then you get access to the credit, which you can use online and or at a physical location. All you have to do is make a purchase at Lululemon with your Platinum card each quarter, meaning quarter 1 would be between January to March, quarter 2 is April through June, and so on, and then you'll get the full value of the credit. If you're not really feeling what Lululemon has to offer, for example in quarter 1, you can always purchase a physical gift card and stash it away, wait till quarter 2 rolls around, and then combine it with the quarter 2's $75 credit, maximizing it to $150 of spend in quarter 2. Or you can just keep buying physical gift cards until something catches your eye. Next on my tracker is the $209 Clear Plus credit. This one is a little bit trickier to use, so follow along along if you're interested in using it. On the tracker, it says use your Platinum card and get up to $209 back per calendar year on your Clear Plus membership, subject to auto renewal. Then you have a progress bar that ranges from $0 earned to $209 to go. Clear Plus is kind of similar to TSA PreCheck, where it's a service that gets you expedited through TSA at an airport. You've probably seen those kiosks like booths stationed close to the TSA PreCheck or TSA area with staff who stand by it and guide you through the system. Signing up for Clear Plus is simple. Click on its tracker icon, click on the blue button, apply now, and go through the website for enrollment. And obviously use your Platinum card to pay for the membership at the end. But that's actually only part one of the whole Clear process, as the second part happens when you go to an airport and go through the Clear lane. There you'll be asked by one of the Clear staff who stand by and guide you through TSA whether or not it's your first time, and if it is, they'll guide you through the process of uploading your biometrics. If unfortunately you are uncomfortable with giving your fingerprint information or your biometrics of your eyes, you may want to stay away from this credit, as you need both of them to finish the Clear Plus enrollment. Obviously, the first time you use Clear Plus, you're going to be in the line for a bit longer as you finish your enrollment, but every other time you use this service is as simple as a simple fingerprint scan and retinal scan before going through TSA. There are positives and negatives to this service like any. Some do say the Clear Plus line can be a bit slower than normal TSA PreCheck. A positive thing about Clear Plus is that you do get TSA PreCheck for free, so definitely make sure to sign up for that as well. And the obvious negatives are giving up your fingerprint and retinal data. Next on the tracker is the $155 Walmart Plus credit, which states receive a monthly statement credit of $12.95 plus applicable taxes after you purchase a monthly Walmart Plus subscription. There's no progress bar for this one, but it does show you how much you've earned this year. Clicking on the tracker icon creates a blue button titled Get Started, which navigates you to a Walmart Plus and American Express webpage where you follow the steps to sign up. The closest comparison I can make to Walmart Plus is Amazon Prime, but Walmart Plus can be beneficial if you do shop at Walmart a lot. It offers free pharmacy delivery, free online pet care, free shipping, gas savings, auto care savings, and more. The only positive I've been able to get from it, since the membership is technically free through my Platinum card, is that I can secure Walmart Plus exclusive events, like the recent Pokemon release of the Ascended Heroes Elite Trainer boxes, but I won't subject y'all to me nerding out. Next on the tracker is the Saks Fifth Avenue credit, which states get up to $50 in statement credits semi-annually on eligible purchases with Saks Fifth Avenue or Saks.com. Then the progress bar ranges from $0 earned to $50 to go. This one is a bit tricky to talk about, but not in the way that the credit is tricky to use. It's more in the way that in the future, I assume this credit may or may not go away. Because at the time of recording this video, Saks Global, the parent company of Saks Fifth Avenue, actually filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy, which has caused closures of dozens of Saks off Fifth locations and even some full line stores to restructure. But other than that, the credit is easy to use. Go to any Saks Fifth Avenue location or shop online at Saks.com and then use your Platinum card when purchasing to get the $50 credit. The next two on the tracker aren't credits, but benefits that come along with the Platinum card, and that's the Centurion Lounge complimentary guest access and the Delta Sky Club access. Both have a progress bar that ranges from $0 spent to $75,000 to go. Under the Centurion Lounge one, it states that you have not unlocked complimentary guest access, spend $75,000 in eligible purchases by December 31st of 2026 to earn access through January 31st of 2028. The reason for that is that before spending $75,000 on the Platinum card, only the primary card holder of the Platinum card can enter Centurion Lounges, meaning you are not allowed to bring any guests, not even one, but after spending $75,000, you unlock the ability to bring up to 2 guests into a Centurion Lounge, which may sound annoying if you are traveling with your family or partner, but if you are traveling alone, having actual space to sit down in an uncrowded lounge is very nice. For the Delta Sky Club access, it states spend $75,000 in eligible purchases by December 31st, 2026 to earn unlimited Delta Sky Club access through January 31st of 2028, with a little icon that states 10 of 10 visits available through January 31st, 2027. 2027. And that's because with the Platinum card and a special collaboration with Delta, you are allowed 10 visits to a Delta Sky Club Airport Lounge per calendar year, but if you spend $75,000, you unlock unlimited access. There are other stipulations to follow to access Delta Airport lounges, and that's that to use one of the 10 passes per year with the Platinum card, you must be flying on a same-day Delta operated flight or Delta marketed flight but operated by WestJet. Next, it's the American Express Global Lounge Collection, which is essentially the Priority Pass Select benefit. If this is your first premium travel credit card, you can click on this benefit and enroll through it. It'll take you to a Priority Pass and American Express webpage where if you follow the steps, you'll get through the enrollment process. Priority Pass is an airport lounge network that provides global airport lounge access, offering amenities like comfortable seating, complimentary snacks, beverages, spa services, and more, offering access to over 1,700 lounges and travel across the world. Once you sign up, you'll get a physical copy of the Priority Pass in card form through physical mail, but I personally like to just download the Priority Pass app on my phone, which then gives you access to a digital card as well as insight into what lounges you have access to any of the airports that you are close by to. A rule of thumb about Priority Pass lounges is that Priority Pass itself is a bit controversial in the way that some hate it and some others love it. I would like to say, however, that Priority Pass lounges in the United States are typically just okay, while others internationally can be really lavish. So my personal recommendation on when you're at an airport is to obviously prioritize finding a Centurion lounge first. If there's none, then try a Delta Sky Club lounge if you're flying same-day Delta flights. And as a last resort opportunity, opt for a Priority Pass lounge in that order of availability. And that just about wraps up two-part series where I go over every credit and benefit that the American Express Platinum card has to offer. I'll make sure to link part 2 when it comes out to this video, but in the meantime, if you are considering the Platinum card, here's a video where I document my experiences on applying for it, and let's just say it was not an easy process. So with that, thank you so much for watching as always. Talk to everyone soon. Peace.